Hello. How can I help?
I need a new phone.
Do you want a smartphone?
Yes, a very fast one.
Look at this black model.
Is the screen very big?
Yes, it is 6 inches in size.
How long does battery last?
It lasts for 2 days.
Does it have a camera?
It has 2 great cameras.
Can I take good photos?
Yes, the photos are perfect.
How much memory is inside?
It has a lot inside.
Do you sell black cases?
Yes, we have many cases.
Can I hold the phone?
Yes, please take it now.
It is very light indeed.
Do you like the design?
Yes, I like it much.
We offer a long warranty.
How long is the warranty?
It is for 1 year.
What is the final price?
It is $500.
I will buy it today.
Let us go to checkout.
Thank you for your help.
Are you looking for jackets?
Yes, I need a jacket.
What color do you want?
I want a dark blue.
We have this nice one.
What size is this jacket?
This is a large size.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the room is there.
Where exactly is the room?
It is on the right.
Thank you. I will go.
Take your time, sir.
This jacket is too small.
Do you need extra large?
Yes, please bring extra large.
Here is the bigger size.
Let me try it now.
Does it fit you better?
Yes, it fits perfectly now.
Do you like the pockets?
Yes, they are very deep.
It is very warm, too.
Is it good for winter?
Yes, it is winter clothing.
How much is this jacket?
It is exactly $50.
I will take it then.
Please follow me to pay.
I am walking behind you.
Hello, I have a problem.
How can I help you?
I bought this mouse yesterday.
Is it broken right now?
Yes, it does not work.
Did you drop the mouse?
No, I never dropped it.
Let me test it here.
Please test it for me.
Yes, the light is off.
It is completely dead now.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here is my receipt.
Do you want a replacement?
No, I want a refund.
I can return your money.
That is very good news.
Did you pay by card?
Yes, I used my card.
Please insert your card here.
I am putting it in.
Type your PIN code, please.
I typed the PIN code.
The money is sent back.
When will it arrive there?
In 2 or 3 days.
Thank you for the refund.
Sorry for the broken item.
It is not your fault.
Have a very good day.
I want to buy this.
This is a great television.
It is very expensive, though.
It has a perfect screen.
Can you lower the price?
The price is strictly fixed.
I will pay with cash.
Cash does not change prices.
Is there any discount today?
We have a small discount.
How much is the discount?
It is 10% off.
That is a good deal.
Do you want to buy?
Let me think about it.
The sale ends today, sir.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you need a box?
Yes, I need a box.
We will pack it now.
Is the box very heavy?
Yes, it is quite heavy.
Can you help me carry?
I can call a porter.
Please call him for me.
He will be here soon.
I will pay the cash.
Thank you for your purchase.
You are a good seller.
I am happy to help.
I am ready to pay.
Please put items right here.
Here are my new clothes.
Let me scan the tags.
Did you scan everything here?
Yes, I scanned 3 items.
Do I need a bag?
Do you want a bag?
Yes, a large paper bag.
That is $1 more.
I will pay for it.
Your total is $60.
Can I use my phone?
Yes, you can tap it.
The machine is reading it.
The payment is approved now.
Do I get a receipt?
I put it inside carefully.
Thank you for the receipt.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all today.
Thank you for visiting us.
I will come back soon.
We are open every day.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 tonight.
I will remember that time.
Have a safe trip home.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great evening.